Welcome back, everyone. I just got done taking the backhoe off the tractor, getting ready to put the 3-point hitch on. So I thought I'd walk you through just how easy it is to put the 3-point hitch on this tractor. All right, so this 3-point hitch comes disassembled in a box, and you got to put the 3-point hitch together. So here's an overview of what it looks like all put together. It comes with cotter pins to put these pins together. And then it also comes with cotter pins for the pins that go through the arms right here, which are fine. But these holes right here, these pins go into here, and you take these out all the time. So a cotter pin isn't really going to work for that. You want to go down and get yourself some of these pull pins, because you're going to be taking those on and off all the time, because that's what to get the, you got to be taking those off all the time to get the 3-point hitch on and off. Now I've got it laying here on the floor in this configuration because this makes it easier to put on the tractor, and I'll show you why here in just a moment while we're putting the hitch on. All right, now before we put this on here, I want to show you something real quick. So you can see the flat spots on these bushings right here have to line up with the flat spots on the tractor right there. Okay, so you just grab the bar, slide everything here, walk one side in, walk the other side in, line these bushings up so they slide right in there. Take these two bars, push them apart, grab one of the pins, one pin through the clip, grab the other bar, put it through. I always put the pins to the outside. I don't know if it really makes a difference or not, but that's just how I always do it. Put the pin in, and now these apart. Then you can take this piece, just flip it over, slide it right in there, which is what holds everything apart. Grab this little pin, slide it through the hole there, and that's what keeps that whole thing from coming back apart. Push the pin in, and then that's on. All right, then you grab the top link. This is probably the hardest part about the whole thing, is trying to hold this bracket together and put the pin through all at the same time. Now you want to have the 3-point arms down, because if you have them up all the way, you can't get this pin in because it hits on the arms. So just slide that through there, put the pin through there. I like to use the D-ring on these, makes it easy. You want to go down and pick up a bunch of these because for some reason they always seem to disappear. Flip that over, then lift this up, and then this slides up, slides down on that arm, and that's what holds the top link up and out of the way, so it's not flopping around when you're driving around. And that's pretty much it. Super simple to put back on and take back off again. All right, so another thing I want to point out, on the back of the tractor here, there's this hole right here, and what this is designed for is so you can pull this pin, raise the 3-point arms, hook them up to here, and what that does is separate the 3-point arms from the 3-point lift arms back here on the hitch. So say you're running the belly mower, and every time you're raising the lawnmower up and down, the 3-point hitch would be going up and down back here at the same time. But if you put these pins over here, you can do this with both arms, and that separates the 3-point hitch from the lift arms back here, and it's not constantly going up and down while you're out mowing and moving that mower up and down. All right, so one of the things I really like about the BX and this 3-point hitch is you really only have to take off a couple of things. and then this hitch comes right back off again. So it's super easy to take on and off. Once you've done it a few times, it takes no time at all to do this. Pull that pin. And just slides right out like that. And again, you just flip that over, put the pin through, hold it there, slide these two arms together, pull these bushings, wiggle this back out here, and there you go. It's back off again. All right, now that you've got this on the ground like this, makes it super easy to take this thing and store. So you just grab this whole thing, then you just take this whole thing. I just hang it up here on the wall in one of these brackets, and then everything's all in one place. I don't have to worry about going and finding anything. It all just stays right there and doesn't get lost. That works out really well. All right, that's all I have for you for today. Hopefully you found that video useful. Go ahead and hit that like button and then hit that subscribe button for more videos to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.